Shantou Hanle Packing Company Ltd. are specialized in different kinds of flexible packing product, such as Spout for pouch. We can supply plastic spout cap for flexible packaging pouch in different sizes, shapes, and colors as per the requirement of customers. Our spout caps are widely used for food and beverages, detergent, chemical, pharmaceutical, automotive industry, personal care, cosmetics packaging and many others. Keeping in mind international quality standards, we always provide high-class products and service. Our spout caps are widely appreciated among our customers due to their salient features like high strength, durability, perfect finish, accurate dimension, and longer life. Looking forward to set up stable long-term cooperation with you, too. Please feel free to contact us. Shantou Hanle Packing Company Ltd. is specializing in research, manufacture, and sales of plastic spout cap series etc. and able to provide full chain of custom-made products, spout cap mold making, manufacture, sales, and after-sale services etc. Our product testing process is strictly monitored to ensure the best quality for our clients. We checked one by one to make sure the product are 100% qualified. We product also have SGS/ISO certificate make sure our good quality. Our company we have design office, mold making department with 20 years experience in the spout cap mold for new project, manufacturing and international trading. We provide OEM and ODM services to all clients worldwide.